Good morning, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland Security, and I want to show you quickly, it's a job that we're almost done with. And even though we're done with the majority of the work, which is to install the front gate, it's an HOA, a condominium building. Look how pretty it is. It's in Westwood. Also what we did is we increased the height of their existing gate. So if you can see, all that area is being increased, the height of it. And today we are doing the finish work, which we're going to remove the existing entry system that they used to have before. Right there, you can see it. Here it is. And we're going to move it to here. We're also going to install a storage function lock, which means it will have a key from here and no key from the inside. We're going to place a glass here, so that's all going to be glass, so we cannot insert your hand and unlock the lock. And today we have, even though it sounds very simple, but we have 3 different craftsmen working on this job. We're going to have a locksmith that will deal with the lock and the electric strike. We have 2 guys that are going to run the power for the entry system, which are the low voltage guys, and they are right now checking where they're going to pull the wires from. And we have a welder, since we're also putting a magnetic lock on this existing gate that was here before. So we're preparing everything for a magnetic lock that will go right here to lock this gate a lot better, because right now you can push on this gate and basically go in. So as you can see, our welder is already working it, preparing for wires to run through the tubings. The magnetic lock, replacing it a little bit higher so it cannot hit anybody when they leave or walking, even though nobody's gonna walk around here most likely, but still it's gonna be tall enough. And our low voltage guys are checking for power and where they're going to bring the power from. So the reason I do this video is also to show you that it's important that each trade will do its own work. When you're working on gates, sometimes it seems like only one person can do it. He can run power for the low voltage and put the entry system, do the gate, put the locks. So it's not really the case. It's always best if you have each trade does what he's good at, what he's best at. And when you have a situation like that, then most likely the project gonna be done very well. So that's about it. I'll show you when everything is done. I'll show you how everything looks like. Avi Ben David, 1-800-562-5770. Have a beautiful day. Bye.